Not sure what's wrong with your computer? Let the experts at First Ace Computers solve your PC problems. They always offer a free in-store PC diagnosis and affordable repair solutions. From a cracked LCD screen to a motherboard replacement, let the professionals at First Ace Computers help get the job done. In the market for a refurbished PC or laptop? First Ace has the largest selection of refurbished computers and laptops in town. Give them a call today or stop by for expert advice you can count on.